How to share Capcut project with another person. So if you want to share your Capcut project with another person, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Capcut application, and after that go with a new project and select the image and tap on add, which is on the bottom right, or you can also select video or anything that you're comfortable with and do some adjustments to it or edit that. Once you've edited, you can go with the upper right, which has that export option. Now once it's exported, what you can do is just simply tap on the TikTok, Instagram or Instagram stories, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, ShareCloud or any other applications in which you would like to share. So just tap on Instagram and you can go with Instagram feed or Reels. For example, if you choose WhatsApp, then select the person to whom you would like to send and then go with the arrow which is on the bottom right and tap on send again, and the message has been sent. So that's how you can share your Capcut project with another person. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.